Welcome back. Let's get things rolling out there on this Friday morning. Looking pretty decent out there. Roads are a little bit covered in snow, but nothing too ridiculous. So just a few flurries that we've had out there this morning, but everything should be good to go for you to make that morning commute. Just a few flurries still out there. Tomahawk and Land O'Lacing, a few reductions. Same with Mantua Waters. That's kind of about it. Everyone else looking pretty good, and you should be fine for the daytime today. And maybe even some sunshine coming out later this afternoon. For now, some clouds over us. Still not much showing up here. It's hard for the satellite and radar picture to pick up on some of these flurries that are developing unless you're right near the radar site, like over in the Marquette area this morning, and even then those are starting to taper off. But the area of low pressure is one to the south toward the east. That's bringing a lot of active weather to the eastern part of the U.S. We have high pressure right overhead for us, so it'll help to calm things down. The wind will start to back off, and we might even see some sunshine coming up as we head towards the afternoon period, but even more action out toward the west, and we'll see some of that moving in as we head towards the next week. So Futurecast moving things forward for today. We'll hold on to some clouds with some breaks in those clouds as the afternoon progresses, so we'll see some sunshine before we get a few more clouds developing later on tonight. I think this might be a little bit aggressive with the cloud coverage, but we'll see a little bit of that, but temperatures will be falling overnight as well. But a lot of sunshine on the way for the daytime tomorrow, so we're now going with a partly cloudy sky for the day on Friday, so we'll be looking pretty good there. And even then, though, we'll be watching for more clouds developing as we head towards your Sunday. As that gusty wind gets going out of the south, and I'll have to push in some warmer air as well. As for the longer term, we're watching our next system moving in next week, starting off with some rain and a little bit of a wind shear mix as well. So we'll be talking rain and some other frozen types of precipitation. We'll see this moving through as we head towards Monday afternoon to the evening time frame as low pressure tracks to the north and east. Probably a rain still mix moving in as well as we head towards Tuesday morning before that tracks off toward the east. And we dry out as we head towards Wednesday before another system moves in as we head towards Thursday of next week. At this point, winds out of the north going toward the south at around 5 to 15 miles per hour. So the winds are picking up out there this morning, making it feel a little bit cooler out there, but the winds are going to start backing off as the day progresses on and high pressure moves overhead. But look what happens tomorrow afternoon to the evening and even overnight. Winds out of the south instead going toward the north at around 20 to 25 miles per hour, pushing in some warmer air. Here's the temperatures right now. We're in the upper teens to even lower 20s out there. A little bit warmer to the south, 24 degrees in Stevens Point, 25 degrees over in parts of Wisconsin Rapids. But when you factor in the wind chill, feels like this out there. It feels like 9 degrees in Rhinelander, feels like 8 degrees in Antigo. So many areas in the teens and single digits, so it feels like temperatures. So winter coats definitely needed as you head out the door. Our average high is 22 degrees. We'll reach for the lower 20s today, upper 20s for you Saturday. And look at this, warming up into the 30s Sunday all the way through Wednesday before we fall back into the upper 20s as we head towards your Thursday of next week. Forecast for today, lower 20s. Flurries will be ending, mostly cloudy with some sunshine arriving during the afternoon. The north wind getting up to about 20 miles per hour. Moving ahead towards tonight, 5 degrees, becoming partly cloudy, so a little chilly out there tonight. A southwest breeze only at about 5 miles per hour. And the Northwoods Furniture and Mattress 7-day forecast will be partly cloudy now as we head towards the Saturday with highs in the upper 20s, mostly cloudy again by Sunday. Highs in the mid-30s. Active weather moving in Monday into Tuesday. A wintry mix for Monday. Rain and snow chances Tuesday. Temperatures above freezing in the mid-30s. Lower 30s Wednesday as we dry out, and then more snow Thursday as we fall below freezing.